beautiful people of this universe. Today's video is on 3 weird benefits from meditation. Namaste. Alright, so the first major weird phenomenal benefit from meditation is it improves brain function. And with it comes so many benefits, and one that I was a bit shocked to find out about was it improves on how you make decisions. It improves your decision skills, and you wouldn't expect by simply focusing on your breath or on something, you would somehow magically improve your decision skills, but this is actually a thing, because you will have better perspective. You allow yourself to see the bigger picture by calming your mind, and this skill can be taken and overlapped into your day-to-day activities. The second weird benefit from meditation, it helps you find flow. Okay, if you don't know what flow is simply being energetically focused, being one with what you're doing, being so intensely focused on what's at hand, then everything else just seems to wither away. This is when you're at your peak, you reap your best rewards, and things just turn out wonderfully. Okay, so the last reason, this is a very weird one for me, and it took me some researching to even find out what grey matter was and white matter and all of this jazz. When you do meditation, you increase grey matter. Grey matter is in charge of higher learning, focus, concentration. It's been said through experiments and research that if you increase your grey matter, you increase your IQ, because your IQ has been related to people with more grey matter. And something else that links is when your grey matter is actually attacked, that is linked with Alzheimer's disease, which is usually when you have memory loss. When you do meditation, you increase grey matter, which is in charge of your memory, therefore you increase memory. Another reason that you increase your memory is because when you're meditating, you're also having better blood flow to your brain, you are having more oxygen in your system because you're breathing deeper, calming down and allowing all of your brain to function at its highest. So I found this image diagram which is amazing, and I'm just going to show you. So it's said that when you're meditating, you use more parts and it's more balanced. So wow. I really enjoyed finding all of these benefits, because it's like everyone's like meditation is so good, but these benefits are incredible. Wow. Literally, if it doesn't matter what age or if you've never done it before, you should so try it. It's not about whether you should. Am I in the category to do that? Should I? Is that who I am? No. It's not who you are. Like, showering is not who you are. You shower because you want to be clean and smell good. So you meditate so you get these benefits, and so you let go of overthinking, so you let go of worry, depression and anxiety. That's why you meditate. I completely advocate you try it out, give it a real go. Don't give it a fake. I'll try a go. Make it a I will do it go, because as long as you go into it with that mindset, you're already halfway there. Like, comment and subscribe this video. That will be fantastic. I will see you in my next video.